Welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. Today we're going to be talking about Quant, QNT. This is one of my biggest holdings. Of course, I don't know if you watch the channel, but this is one of my biggest holdings, pretty much 70% of my portfolio. And it's showing that it's different. You know, we always run first in these rallies. And if you see, we always have these huge percentage gains, which is showing a lot of interest to me by institutional investors. I mean, these prices don't move like this unless institutional investors are piling in, or people that have interest in moving a price are piling in. We obviously seen all of this price suppression. Wicks up, wicks up, wicks up, and they just bring it all the way down, bring it all the way down. These candles are starting to look a little bit better. But I'm going to tell you the truth. Quant has showed me that, that right now Quant wants to run, but Bitcoin doesn't want to run. Bitcoin is having a run. It ran all the way from 46.5 to 49. And that's showing me a lot of strength in buying, but I don't trust it. So now why do I not trust it? Because I feel like we're going to play out another move from May, and it's pretty much going to bring us all the way back down to the spike low, maybe even more, to bring more pain, liquidate some more people, and just pretty much cause you to want to fucking give up and think we're going into a crypto winter. So back to Quant. Quant is showing heavy bullish signs because it seems like we broke out of this downtrend. I can tell you that for sure. These big candles they're holding. This is showing that we have broke out of a downtrend, but Bitcoin is not going to allow this to go forward unless, Bitcoin just goes up from here. And do I think that's going to happen? No, I don't think they want to make Christmas good for anybody. I don't think they want anybody out. So watch on to Quant. If you can buy more, don't now. I think we pumped nicely. So if we are to come back down from Bitcoin crushing and crashing, I think we're coming back down to 150, 140 just to scare the fuck out of people. So I would be buying more there. What I did today is, I've been DCAing into Quant since 288, and what I did is I almost had a pump. We had a pump this other day, and I got out at 208, pretty much taking two of my DCAs that were pretty much a really nice amount of money, and I put it in on some other dips. So yes, Quant, I put some on Quant and then some on Chainlink, and Quant has showed me that it's going to go lower because of Bitcoin, not because Quant's bad or, it's bad trading and all that type of stuff. Quant's going to go lower because Bitcoin is going to go lower. We're at 48.9, but we already know we're going to do something like May. It's not going to be that easy. We're going to probably come back down here, test 43,000, break through it, test 38 just to scare some people out. I mean, Quant, when people see Quant at 140 and things like that, that scares the shit out of them. It does. So, because everybody's sitting up there talking about Quant's going to, these ungodly numbers down here. I mean, it could, but come on, man. Come on. And if it was a shakeout. And you're going to see the biggest fucking candles going back to the upside exactly when they decide for the altcoins they're going to run again. This is not up to retail. This is up to investors, the big boys, institutions. I'm not going to say I'm going to call them whales. Institutions, banks, the people that you don't believe are involved, they are involved. So like, subscribe, and share. Quant to the moon. When do I think Quant will be testing the 280 mark or at least the 400 mark? Next summer. I'm going to be honest with you. Next summer, if crypto moves faster than that, then I'll be shocked. But if we run up like this with these huge, big candles, I'm not going to trust it. I'm going to get out. Remember, I bought in all at 288. So I'm going to be looking to pretty much scale back at 288 and pretty much wait for another drop down so I can buy more Quant, and then we're going to the moon. So I trade a little bit different. I'm not just hodling for the fuck of it. If I can get a price lower, if I can predict, hey, this market's going to go a little bit lower, and I can get more Quant, I can make more of a profit, I can get a better DCA average, I'm going to go for it. Like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.